Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Free Teach site or channel. And today we are looking at continuation of our financial maths using today the financial solver on your CAS to find out how much money we've got at the end of a period, if we're making additional contributions to something. So in this one, we've got a guy called Lars. Always come up with cool names, these people who make these questions. So Lars invests $500,000. All right, maybe that's for his super. Gets a 5.5% per annum rate, which is probably not too bad at the moment considering interest rates are so low. And he can make deposits of $500 a month. Okay, so there's our monthly thing there. All right, and it's important we acknowledge that that's compounding monthly. If you have trouble with these questions, it's always a massive help to highlight those key parts. And this is over 5 years. All right, so we need to put some stuff into our financial solver. So we're going to put in the term into N, so how long it's going to be in the bank for. A couple of key things. The present value in this instance is going to be a negative. Okay, it's important we acknowledge that because Lars has deposited money into the bank. It's come out of his pocket, theoretically, and it's going into the bank. So it's a negative. Really important to get that one right. The other important one that we're dealing with here is our payments. Same deal, it's a negative. If he's putting money into the bank, it's coming out of his, it's going into this account. He's depositing it, so it's a negative as well. All right, so they're the two key ones there for this particular question. So we head across our financial calculator and put in the bits and pieces. So the number of terms it's over is 5 years, okay? Now, 5 years, we have to think about that in terms of how many periods there are a year for this question. So we've got 5 times 12, which if we can do our maths, should be 60. Now, if you couldn't and it was different terms, feel free to just go 5 times 12. Calculator sees it as the same thing. Interest rate, we put it in there. We put that as the per annum rate because it's not till down here, CY, the compound periods per year that we put in the 12 to show that that is a monthly rate. Present value, we said that it's negative 500,000, so that's what he's put into it. Payments, he's making $500 payments per month. The future value is what we're solving for. Okay, that's what we want to know. And payments per year is 12. Compounding periods per year is 12. And with that, we get to hit solve. And there is Lars's new balance. So after 5 years, Lars will have $692,292, and the 7 rounds up. So we can see there the 7 rounds the 9 up, which rounds the 2 up. So, and 30 cents. Okay. So that's how to use your financial solver to come up with the solution to a problem like that. Okay, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Any comments, pop them down below, subscribe. And check out the other videos if you've got any other problems whatsoever. Okay, cheers gang. Don't know where that 5 came from. Have a great afternoon. Bye.